Hey Lancers, my name is Monique.
Hello, my name's Kevin Drevich.
Hi, my name's Olivia Wright.
Hello everyone, my name is Imane.
Hey everyone, my name's Amanda.
I'm here to tell you about some of the fun things that are going to be taking place during Welcome Week.
Welcome Week is going to be very exciting and packed with many opportunities to meet new people and find different clubs and organizations that might interest you.
We do have like a Welcome Week bash, which is coming up one of those days during the week, and they're offering tie-dye. There's lots of food, giveaways, and usually there's a lot of food and giveaways in all the events, so there's something to look forward to.
I don't know about any of you, but I personally love bingo. It's got a place in my heart, especially music bingo for, late night Lancers and stuff like that. But for Welcome Week, we are doing a Spirit Week of bingo. There'll be a lot of chances to win cool prizes. Really show your spirit for Worcester State. It's going to be an awesome time. You should really go. I'll be there.
And also a commuter social, which has boba tea, and you get to meet our therapy dog, MK.
First thing is going to be Club Kickoff. This is where you're going to have the opportunity to learn more about all of the clubs and organizations at Worcester State and have the opportunity to sign up for them. I highly recommend you take advantage of this opportunity.
I have a club. A lot of us OLs have clubs. It's a really great way, like I said, to meet new people, to get involved. It'll be a lot of fun. Sometimes there's giveaways. Most of the time there's free stuff. It's a great opportunity. It's a great chance to get connected on campus.
And there's also another event coming up, Unity Walk, which is a great event that everyone's looking forward to, where there's a lot of speakers, there's giveaways, and then we're also going to have a march outside centered around inclusivity, and so it's a really great message.
Lastly is Quadfest. This is where there's going to be a ton of inflatables, a ton of games, airbrush tattoos. It's going to take place all over the quad, and it's going to be so much fun. So please check your calendar, look out for these events. It's a great way to meet people.
Be sure to follow the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development on Instagram to keep up to date on all of these opportunities.
I know you guys have heard this a million times on orientation, but please, please, please do not forget to check your emails. It's going to be extremely important, especially once the semester starts.
There's also some weekly emails that get sent out by the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership Development. They're great ways to get updated and just keep an eye out.
Your emails are going to be your best friend. That's the way that you're going to hear from your professors, how you're going to contact your professors, how you're going to know if a class is canceled. Also, if you're a resident, it's how Residence Life will reach out to you about anything going on in the building or if there are any events planned.
Worcester State is going to require masks indoors. Outside, we should be okay, but masks are going to be required indoors.
As residents and commuters, you will have to be tested weekly. I promise you, it's not one of those big ones that goes all the way up to your brain. None of that. It's just a simple Q-tip, swab it a couple of times, you put it in a test tube, it's all set.
My best tip for the fall is to take all your syllabi once you have them, go through them, highlight them, make sure you have everything important that you need to know for that class, and then take a calendar and an Excel sheet, write down all the due dates or type them in just to make sure that as due dates come up, you're not forgetting about them.
At some point during your first week at Worcester State, walk around the Learning Resource Center or the Student Center and try and find a study spot somewhere where you think you can get work done, or just check the place out. There's going to be times where your room is going to be a little louder or your house is going to be a little bit louder, and those study places are going to really come in handy.
I know for commuter students it can be kind of difficult to get involved. I am a commuter student, so I do kind of feel that way sometimes, but I think my best tip in that case is to stay on campus even after your classes are over, like in between classes. Use the campus and its resources to help you out.
College is a little bit different than high school in a sense that your classes won't always be in the same building. They may be in all buildings your first semester, they may be in 2 buildings. So it's really important to keep track of where you're going and what time your classes are at so that you don't miss them.
Bye guys, I can't wait to see you all in the fall. Let me know if you have any questions.
Just one final welcome to Worcester State. I hope you guys have a wonderful semester, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone at Welcome Week.
I hope that you all had a great summer, and I'm so excited to see you guys all on campus.
See you at school soon.
Can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.